nga magasugid kamo sang matuod kag matuod gid lang. Oh. Kamo ang mga aplikante dire o representative sa mga aplikante for tricycle franchise. Stoy na? Okay. So tanan kamo kagang inyo mga ginrepresentar mga Filipino citizen man. Okay, only Filipino citizens can operate sang tricycle nga franchise, no? Kag of course balaan nyo ang mga ruta ninyo, no? Kabisado nyo ang mga ruta nyo. Basi mag-out of road ka mo bla? Kabisado nyo. So kabisado Manila. Kag may obligasyon ka mo, balaan nyo man that you will bring safely your passengers to their respective destination. Oh? Inyo in obligasyon, kagang inyo nga mga salakyan, dapat road worthy. Para hindi man ma-aksidente, no? Kagang taga Bakaw, no? Kung road yung kaya, kung nga pasero lang, basi may dala siya buda sakay sa inyo nga. So, okay, no? So, nagsumpa ka mo na parte sa inyo na application kag kinanglan gid ang salakyan, ang tricycle sa ruta nga gina-applyan nyo kay damo pasahero. Gusto na? Gusto na. Mr. Chairman, I think they have answered everything you need.
Thank you to Councilor Romel Duron. We can put down, pwede niya butang to ang inyo kamot panaog. Alright, dira lang ka man kay pasatang inyo mga prangkisa, Madam Chair. It's your intention to pass these matters on the floor. So for items F01 to F06, Madam Chair, for exigency, I move for the suspension of the House rules as to number of readings required and number of days required for the deliberation of these particular ordinances. So move, Madam Chair.
It has been moved and seconded. Hearing no objections, motion is carried.
Rules being suspended. I move for the passage of the proposed ordinance under item F01. Before that, Madam Chair, under item F01, under the proposed ordinance, section 1 thereof, nakasaad ang ila ruta nga mo ang route JA-3 M. Jaime, MH del Pilar, Barangay Benedicto to interior roads of Don Francisco, District of Haril City and vice versa. Ara man nakasaad ang ngalan sang anong kaaplikante, pati ang partikular sang ilang mga tricycle. Subong man section 2 nakasaad man dira nga 3 ka tuig ang yatag naton nga prangkisa sa ila nga mahimo man bawion pananglitan madakpan sila sa masobra 3 ka biolasyon sang aton mga traffic rules and regulations, Madam Chair. If there are no objections from the body, I move for the passage of the proposed ordinance under item F01 granting franchises to the 6 previously mentioned owners and operators specific units of motorized tricycle for hire to operate within the city of Iloilo covering route JA-3, also previously mentioned, Madam Chair. So move.
It has been moved and seconded. Hearing no objections, motion is carried.
For item F02, Madam Chair, paki-check lang akin may correction di sa akon. F01, hindi ni siya Mandurriao, haro ni siya, pero I think the proposed ordinance haro na nakabutang sa title talang sa agenda ang Mandurriao. F01, haro ni siya. Pero in the proposed ordinance, correct, pero ang sa title sa agenda, Mandurriao. For item F02, Madam Chair, section 1 thereof stipulates the route which is from Usbag San Isidro subdivision to interior roads of Barangay San Isidro, Bangkor subdivision, Petrosville subdivisions, and portions of Tabuksuban, Enia Road, District of Haro, Iloilo City, and vice versa, except in roads classified as national highways. Nakasaad man diri ang mga lansang 3C aplikante nga girepresentar sang ila presidente diri subong man ang mga particular sang ilang mga units, Madam Chair. Same particulars for section 2 thereof. If there are no objections, I move for the passage of the proposed ordinance under item F02 granting certificates of public convenience to 13 owner-operators of specific units of motorized tricycle for hire to operate within the city of Iloilo covering route JA-7 as previously mentioned, Madam Chair. So move, Madam Chair.
It has been moved and seconded. Hearing no objections, motion is carried.
For item F03, Madam Chair. Hello. Section 1 of the proposed ordinance specifies ang ruta sa ining aton mga aplikante among JA-12. Ang ruta is from Avellana Extension, corner E. Lopez Street, to interior roads of Ledesco Subdivision, Barangay Tabuksuba, portions of City Homes, District of Haro, Iloilo City, and vice versa, except in roads classified as national highways. Personal man nga ari diri ang tatlo ka aplikante, subong man mga partikular sa ilang mga tricycle.